Hey guys, Matthew Keki here with InfoHelp Group. We are here with Vanguard Technology Consultants with Trevor and Cam. Let's check out and see what they can do.
Away from this app, you can get full control of all your different sources and all your home's audio and video, all from the convenient app here. With our multi-room audio options, you can easily pick from any of your favorite music sources, and then you can start playing music in either one room or all the rooms of your house.
From the app, you have full control of all of your home shades, so you can filter the app so that you can see the current room that you're in. You can see all the shades, or you can filter them so you can only see the shades that are currently open. So you also have access to a security option, which gives you alarm system control, camera feed, and locks and sensors. You also have full control of your home's automated lighting. You can control the lights by room. You can see all the lights in the entire house, or you can filter them so you can only see the current lights that are on.
You also have the option to control the temperature in your house. So as you can see here, you can control it from the different floors, where you can control the AC and heating.
As you can see here with Vanguard, you can automate almost anything in your home. You can make these homes more convenient and functional. From a builder standpoint, this makes these homes more modern, and from a buyer, it's more efficient all around.